Go dyan! Yeah! Water. There's check if the canteen is open. Ram, you have extra water? Water. Give to Adi. Wala na? Wala ka na ba?
You gave me. I didn't drink it yet because I knew it would be what you call
Kaya nga,
this
give
finish.
Yeah, give it.
What I did is, I asked Nathan to, he has so much water, he has to 1 liter.
Kaya nga, Adi is Adi is want to drink water. You just transfer it. Adi.
No, mommy, no, that one water bottle is supposed to be. No, water bottle. The disposable, like this.
You cannot put it in your water, no?
Yeah, it's already done. You can just drink from.
No, para hindi naman maubos yung ignition. Hindi naman yung maubos ni Adi.
I have no water.
The kulay green?
Yeah,
Make it half. Ano, sa natin ba ito Where's your water bottle? The green one. No, the other green. Your water bottle. Ano, kahit yung baunan mo na water bottle?
yeah, exactly. There's no green.
Oh, kahit the white, the blue, the what Oh, di ba? Open.
Diretso mo na.
Hindi ka kasi nakikinig eh.
Antay. Malaki yan.
You understand now? Ayan, hindi kasi niya maubos. naubos yung malaki. Kaya sabi ko mag-take in dito. This one is not green? Yeah, it's blue. Blue ba yan? Yeah. Blue yan, uy. Yeah, it's blue. It's not blue, it's green. Ala, what happened to yours? That's green. That's green. That's not blue. It's blue. This one's green. This one's blue. This one.
Only thing green here is
This one, give to ano. Abi, Ram. That's green, Ram.
JB, JB.